Hi, I'm Amy with Feller Roofing, better known to you as the Roofer Chick. Today we're going to talk about flashing and why it matters. Every roof has several types of flashing, and flashing is basically any place where the roof meets a change. So you have flashings around plumbing vents on your roof, you have them around vents. You also have it anytime there's a sidewall where the roof comes and meets your sidewall like that. You have it around chimneys, skylights. So anytime your roof meets something, there's generally a flashing, and there's so many different types, it can be a little bit overwhelming. The reason that flashing is so important is because those areas of the roof are most prone to leak, because it's a transition, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're going to have a leak. In fact, the number one thing that we look at on roofs that we didn't install as a repair item for leaking is chimneys. At Feller Roofing, we're pretty unique as a roofing company because we actually have a special roof ninja. His name is Francisco, and he is amazing. We're so happy that he's part of our team. We get so many customer compliments on his demeanor and also his work. He is a true artist, and he goes out, especially all of our roof replacements, all of our chimney repairs, he goes out and custom builds the Chimney Cricket, which is the Chimney Cricket. Some people call it a saddle. It's on the back side of your chimney, and it peaks up like that, and it sheds the water, so it goes around your chimney. So he reflashes the entire chimney, and then the crew will come in and do the rest of the work. But he does amazing work. Another thing that he does often is he makes metal pans for us, which you want a metal pan if your roof comes down and there's a flat area. He puts a pan in there so that it'll shed the water. And he also can do chimney caps, which is what's on the top of the chimney where the flue goes up through. In summary, if you have a leak on your roof, we found that 90% of the time it comes from a flashing issue, and we would love to come out and take a look at it and see how we can get that to stop in a permanent way instead of just putting sealant on it or roof tar. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Amy with Feller Roofing, home of the Roofer Chick.